Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Sites on your phone. So let's dive in. First, open any browser on your phone like Google Chrome or Safari and search for Google Sites. Click on the link to open it. Then you might see a message saying you need a desktop to access Google Sites, but don't you worry. To fix this, all you have to do is just switch your browser to desktop view. So all you have to do is just click on the three dot icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and choose desktop site. Wait for it to load, and there you go. Now you have access to Google Sites on your mobile phone. Now, sometimes the page may show an error after switching. Just refresh or go back and open the page again. Once it loads, you'll have full access to Google Sites and can start creating or editing your site right from your phone. And that's it. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.